Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Wet n Wild MegaLiner. So Wet n Wild is a makeup brand, kind of a low-end makeup brand that makes everything. You can get lipsticks, eyeliners, foundation, powder, mascara, all kinds of stuff. So today I'll be focusing just on the eyeliner. Or on this specific MegaLiner, they have a few different eyeliners. So this is a liquid eyeliner, which is my absolute favorite. I love liquid eyeliner. The package, or the little bottle, does make sure to make it known that they do not test on animals, which is really cool. You know, that's like an issue with a lot of makeup brands and a lot of different things, is that they test on animals. So Wet n Wild does not test on animals. This is a 0.12 fluid ounce bottle. So it's super small, super portable, and you can throw it in your purse for touch-ups. Although I don't usually need one with this, you can throw it in a carry-on, and it is TSA approved, so you can go straight through TSA with this in your carry-on or in your purse. So yeah, it is made in China. And I just have it in black. It comes in a few different colors. I think you can get like a dark brown or like an espresso color. I just got it in black though. That's how I usually tend to get all of my eyeliners in black. I don't venture out from that too much. So let's go ahead and open this baby up so that you can see what the applicator looks like. So this whole thing right here, that is all product, which I think is a lot. So like, it's a lot smaller. I think most liquid eyeliners come in like a longer tube, but it's a lot skinnier. So I feel like this actually has a lot of product in it. And so it's you just twist it open, and there you go. It's got a very thin end to it, which I really like, because then you can just get really precise. So it goes from thicker to thinner, so you can do thicker lines, you can do thinner lines, you can do a cat eye really easily. It's really nice, and I also really like the shape of this, because I just think it makes it a little bit easier to hold and like grip it, rather than something that's just straight. This has a little bit of a curve, or it's smaller at the top and then it gets wider as you go down, and I just really like that. I think it's easier to hold it when you're applying the eyeliner, and that's just another thing that allows for a more precise application. So you can really just go wild and do whatever you want. You can do like a thin cat eye, you can do just a little bit of a wing, or you can just do a little tiny small line right on the top of your eyelids, just to give your eyelids a little bit of a thicker line, or make your lash line just a little bit thicker. I do all three of those. I do several different things with it, and I just really like it. I wouldn't recommend using this on your lower waterline, your lash line, just because since it is a liquid eyeliner, and when I do that, I tend to get some of it in my actual eye, which really hurts. So that is something that I would not recommend. I would only recommend it for your eyelid, for the top, and not for your bottom waterline or your bottom lash line, unless you're gonna go under, which if that's the look you're going for, then maybe you could go under, but I just would make sure not to do it on the waterline, because it's very possible that it's just gonna go in your eye. I tried it once and then never again. So this eyeliner works very well. Aside from the super precise application that I can get from it, it also, I feel like it just lasts all day long. I never need to reapply. I never have to worry about it fading. It doesn't smudge, and I don't even think it's not waterproof though. So that is the only thing. Like if I go swimming, then I will come out of the water looking like a raccoon. And I have gotten laughed at before because I forgot that I was wearing this specific eyeliner and I jumped in a pool, and when my head came out of the water, everyone started laughing at me because I was, like, my eyes were just completely black surrounding. So that is one thing with this. It is not waterproof, but they do sell some that are waterproof, which I may do a review about as well. So, but overall, this is a pretty, I do recommend it for just like every day. Just make sure you don't wear it if you're gonna go swimming, or if you're gonna be even sweating. I wouldn't wear it either. Like if you plan on doing like a really hard workout and you're gonna sweat, don't wear it. If you're going to like a funeral or you're gonna watch a sad movie, don't wear it because it's gonna streak all the way down your face as soon as you start crying, or as soon as you start sweating and the sweat starts going down your face, it's gonna leave black lines. We all know what that looks like. It's very, very attractive, right? Just kidding, it's not attractive at all to have black lines going all the way down your face. So it's definitely good for just everyday wear. If you're going to be doing something where you anticipate that your face is going to get wet, then I would definitely not go with this one. But otherwise, I definitely would. I've been wearing this every day for the past month and a half, and so far it does not seem like the product is running out yet, so that's really cool. It's lasted over a month and a half and still going strong. So yeah, overall this is just a really great eyeliner. I would highly recommend it to anyone, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.